Hey, welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing some pecan muffins. I saw this on T-Roy Cooks and I loved it. I thought it was an awesome recipe, so I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel. Check out his version. Let's do this. Alright, for my muffins I have some softened butter, 2/3 of a cup. We got 2 eggs. I got them at room temperature. Don't necessarily have to have it that. Just the way I'm doing it. We got 1 cup of brown sugar, packed. 1 cup. Make sure you want to do that. Let me mix this in and I'll be right back. Just wanted to make sure it wasn't too much noise for you. Get this started. Alright, to this we want to add a 1/2 cup of flour and just combine that. Let me get that done. Alright, got that done. And I do have 2 cups of pecans. I'm going to crush these up a little bit and then add them to my mix. Alright, that's 1 cup and 2. Now that may seem like a lot, and I ain't gonna say that it's not. But I've made these before and they came out absolutely wonderful. So I had to do them one more time. And like I said before, I got this from T-Roy Cooks. I'm gonna leave a link to his video down in the descriptions. That's a good mix. You can check out his. I'm doing it my way, he's doing it his way, and you decide which one you like the best and go with it, because I'm gonna guarantee you they both are great. So check him out. Alright, got me a well greased muffin pan here. Let me find me a spoon. We're just gonna spoon these in here, fill up what we can, and get them going in a 350-degree oven and get them done. We don't necessarily want to fill these holes up, because they definitely will overrun. So just want to dab a little bit in each one. I've seen some videos where they chop these, and I'm gonna say they probably ground up their pecans a little bit more. I got bigger chunks in mine. You do yours like you want to, for your taste and what suits you. I'm gonna do mine my way. Alright, I got these in here. It looked like that one could use a little bit more. Just a little bit. Let's see if I made a mistake. 350 degrees oven for 15 minutes. And I'll check on them. Be right back. Alrighty. 1 round done. Pan spray looks a little rough on the pan, but other than that, muffins look awesome. I'm gonna let these cool down a little bit and do my next batch. Working on my second batch. Everything's looking good. And as you can see, my first batch there. I don't think we're gonna fill the pan completely up. The second one, but let's find out. All right, almost filled the pan up. Looks good. 15 more minutes. We'll be ready. All right. While my other ones are baking. Look at that. Looks wonderful. Taste. If you like pecan pie, you're gonna love these. So moist, buttery. Got a little crunch on the outside. They're definitely a treat. Perfect for little kids with a bite size and a good treat for a holiday. Have it on the table for people to just walk by and grab one to munch on. So hey, if you like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Look at these bad boys. Tell a friend about me. And of course, I'll see you on the next one.